have been seeing this facial mask on YouTube and Google lately that they were like face mask that actually works. So I'm curious, like I wanted to know, okay, does it really work? So my plan was to try it out first time ever on camera. I want to know if this actually works. I've never tried it before. If it works, we are going to find out together. If it doesn't work, we'll still find out together. I just woke up. I intentionally didn't shower because of this video, because I want to still have that oil and white or blackheads on my face before doing this, so that I can see the maximum effect. I'm not really a blackhead person. I don't have much of blackhead or whitehead on my face except for maybe facial hairs, so I'm not expecting this to work wonders on my face or to bring out much from my face because I don't actually have that. Let's get what we're using for this video ready. I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, and then we grow. After I got the egg ready, the next thing I'm going to do is to steam my face. I have this warm water here. I'm going to be dipping my face inside it to steam my face. So another way you can do this is, if you have a small towel, you can dip it inside the warm water and then dab it on your face. So it's going to open my pores and allow the mask to enter and do the work. Now this is the egg we whisked, and then my old makeup brush. So first thing I'm going to do is to start applying it on my face. I'm going to avoid the places that have hair. I'm going to do it portion by portion. So I'm taking one ply tissue first, placing it there. I'm going to take off my nose ring. I'm done with the first layer. I'm feeling dry already, like, ooh, I can't even talk well. So once you're done, going over it with egg again. Once I go over it again, I'm going to start putting another ply of tissue. After this, the next thing I'm going to do now is to go over it with the egg white again for the last time. I'm done applying that. I'm going to allow it to dry up so that I'll pull the mask off and see what it's going to bring out from my face. It's dry now. I'm going to start removing it. Let's see what it's going to bring out. It is very, very dry, like very dry. Guys, I left it to dry so well, so it's a little bit painful, but not that painful. It's just that you'll be feeling that you're taking out something from your face. It's not as if it's painful like it's dragging your hair. It's just a little bit painful. Ooh. This is actually very strong. It pulled my hair. So when doing this, you just have to be careful and take your hair out of the way. So yeah. So the only difference in this mask is that it pulled the oil from my face and then it actually pulled my hair. I don't know if you can see a little bit of white stuff on my finger. I got it from around where my nose was, so I can actually see that it pulled some things out. It pulled a little bit of whitehead. I don't really actually suffer from acne, just it's something that comes with season, and then I take care of it and then it goes away. So I don't have it right now on my nose, so I was not expecting it to pull out anything, but I can see it pulled out some hairs and it pulled out some white hairs from my nose. So okay, so let me go and shower and then know if I can see any difference on my face. So guys, I've gone to shower and toned and moisturized my face and my lips. I think I'm glowing. Okay, this is actually a glowing skin, so this actually works. I'm going to be trying this and I'm going to focus especially around my nose area because this is most likely the place that I secrete oil. Then I'm going to put a little here because sometimes I get to break out on my forehead, so that's basically where I'm going to be focusing, here and then here. So I don't think I need to do it around my face, except I want to take out some unwanted hairs though, but I think this is good. This is the first time I'm trying this out and it came out amazing. I'm super excited. One beautiful thing is that once you're done with this, because your pores were open, you opened it up to apply this. So I would advise that you tone up your face, moisturize your face so that the pores will close up back together, because if you leave your face like that without closing up the pores, you're going to be attracting bacteria and all that type of stuff on your face and you might break out after that. So it's always better to tone up and moisturize your face so that you close up the pores you've opened. Right, I am on the journey of, I have this sunburn. This thing actually came out when I went for service, and I moved from the east to the north for the first time, and I noticed that the sun here in the north, in this part of Nigeria, is mad. Like, the sun is too harsh. After staying 3 weeks in camp, I couldn't do anything because we are limited to so many things. So I had this sunburn, and once sunburn comes out, to go out is a problem. The worst part is that I didn't go there with SPF. This was really bad, like very bad before. So I'm going to put a picture how it was before I started. Like, I've started working on it. I have it here also, and I'm on the journey to clearing this with natural remedy. Like, I just want to try with something natural and see if it works. So I'm sure to be uploading the video of how I clear this once it is cleared. I just want you guys to see it now, so that when I upload the video, when you'll be seeing another fresh skin, you will actually know that I did something that really worked. Okay, so for now I am glowing. Let's glow together. Maybe you should try this out and leave a comment down there from the comment section. Tell me if it worked for you. I hope you found this video helpful or entertaining. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in my next video.